Imagine this. You're walking to school, headphones in, zoning out when suddenly, your feet aren't touching the ground anymore. You float. Your backpack floats. Birds, cars, your lunch, all levitating like some weird magic trick. Then 5 seconds later gravity slams back on like it forgot to set an alarm. Everything crashes back down. Sounds wild, right? But what would actually happen if gravity just turned off for 5 seconds? First, gravity. It's not just a thing that keeps us from doing sick backflips into the stratosphere. It literally holds the entire planet's vibe together. Earth's gravity pulls everything toward its center. You, me, your cat, even the air we breathe. Without it, you're not just floating, you're in a full-blown physics horror show. Second one hits. Boom, planes, they stop flying and just keep moving in a straight line, without lift. People in planes start floating, strapped to their seats but feeling like they're in 0G. Cars start bouncing, not launching like rockets but just lifting, slowly, dramatically, and comfortably. By second 2, the air itself starts rising. Earth's gravity is what holds the atmosphere in place. So with gravity gone, the air begins leaking into space like a soda can opened in slow motion. Not all of it escapes. 5 seconds isn't enough, but some of it definitely goes by. Water too. Lakes start bulging upward. Raindrops mid-fall stop falling. Ocean waves try to fly. Anyone swimming? They're now floating, but not in a cool spot a kind of way. In a terrifying I'm gonna fall from the sky kind of way. People inside buildings? They float a little. People outside? They could get seriously airborne. One jump during gravity's break, and you're going way higher than you bargained for. Buildings themselves don't just crumble immediately, but gravity helps hold everything in tension. With it gone, weak structures might start shifting. Metal bends, bricks crack, foundations twitch. Now let's talk about space. Satellites aren't affected, they orbit because they're already kind of in free fall around Earth. But the International Space Station crew, watching the Earth lose gravity for 5 seconds? Yeah, they're panicking hard. Then gravity comes back. Everything that floated? Now it's crashing down at terminal velocity. People drop from meters above the ground. Cars smash into roads. Anything above a few feet? Pancaked. You don't gently drift back, gravity doesn't do soft landings. Worst part, if you're mid-jump when gravity turns back on, yeah, RIP knees. So, all in all, 5 seconds of gravity disappearing would be enough to injure thousands, destroy some structures, and give the Earth a temporary identity crisis. We wouldn't all die, but the headlines would be wild. World floats for 5 seconds, absolute mayhem ensues. Gravity is one of those things we take for granted, but without it, life would literally fall apart then crash right back down. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing.